We are a 100% independent family business founded on April 11, 1900 by Mathurin Brisset. The company is located in Machecoul in the Loire-Atlantique department and has around 20 employees. In order to best meet the needs of our customers, we process all types of waste, which we sort and recycle. This results in the need for appropriate equipment such as an efficient shredder. Our goal is to recycle all our 20,000 tons of waste to avoid landfill. After several trials with different shredders, we got in contact with Michel Houzet from Proxirec and finally decided on the UNTHA XR3000C in the electric mobile version. The fact that the UNTHA shredder is a one-shaft shredder that can be equipped with different perforated screens with diameters from 40 to 120 millimeters ensures a versatile range of applications. This allows us to adapt the shredder according to different requirements, for the wood energy industry or panel manufacturers, for example. We can also process materials such as sandwich panels, aluminum waste, and aluminum profiles. We shred and densify the material, preparing it for steel mills and foundries. The fact that the shredder is mobile is also a very important factor at our site. The energy efficiency of the shredder and the slow-running gearbox have enabled us to cut production costs and significantly reduce noise pollution. The decision criteria for this shredder also included the ease of maintenance. Other decisive criteria were that the cutters can be easily turned and thus used 4 times. The fact that the perforated screens can be replaced quickly was also a positive aspect. The fact that there are very helpful and competent contact persons at UNTHA, such as Michel, Eric, and Remy, to name but a few, is also a real advantage.